what's up? Remember me, it's me, your G Sensei, and I will give you an update on Kakashi. Remember Kakashi, our WeGo 2021. So, it's been 1 year kapin since we got this car Kakashi, and of course we installed the 70 Mi Pro para sa iya, because of course as you all know, the TRD na siya camera, na siya front camera, but then si WeGo nga 2021 variant ka G is wala. So mo ni imong gipa-install guys 70 Mi Pro. Shout out day diha sa ako ang classmates nga owner sa LED and Light CDO kang Mylene and Patrick nga Monticelio. Thank you Mai and Patrick. So nara ang 70 Mi Pro. So this is the 70 Mi Pro. Okay, so itry na to guys ha. So on screen,
the display is on.
Yun. So i-display niya isa, di siya gaka-focus. Okay, off screen,
the display is on.
di siya gapatuo. Okay, on screen,
The display is on.
Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
Yon. Wait. So, pila na ka minutes nga mag-record siya. Okay.
Mommy, on your hotspots, please.
And later guys, ipakita po na ko sa inyo. You can also take a photo if ever nga you want something i-take niya photo.
If you tell him to stop record.
Okay, later. Oh, taut po siya, no? Recording
Recording
emergency.
complete.
Okay, recording emergency video. And then, take a photo. Take a photo ba? Take a picture. Take a picture.
Let's take a
Ay, take a picture.
Photo taken.
Kaya kiniya. Okay, so guys, this is my daughter Jondi. Say hi, Jondi.
Hello.
So guys, si 70 Mi Pro is of course nasa GPS. Thank you kay Maymay o kay Patrick, no. So kung gusto mo magpa-install og 70 Mi Pro available sa Cagayan, you can just contact them or LED and Light CDO. You can add their Facebook. Kaning 70 Mi Pro guys is of course it will inform you if nagkuha na mo lane departure. Okay, so, mo ino siya lane departure of course, and napud siya parking ihatag sa inyo nga recorded while nakapark ang inyong car. And what else, of course lane departure, parking record, of course emergency recording video, photos. Pwede ra nimo siya makuha ang imong mga gi-record through Bluetooth. So nalang kay i-install yata sa inyong phone, and then makuha na nimo ang mga gi-record din hi. Okay? So I guess that's it lang, no? So update day kay Kakashi karon, tanawan ninyo. Karon is kuan na siya, yang dagan is 9,021. So magpa-change oil mi is at 10k na pod. And siguro I guess guys, murag malibre guro ang amuang kuan ani pa-change oil kay tungod sa birthday nako atong February. So 6 months daw nga magamit to since akong birthday. So February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So dapat by August makaabot na mig 10,000 nga kilometers para maka-change oil mi, free ang service. Okay? And what else? And of course, wala makinabago kay Kakashi because as you all know, no, nagpa-install mi aning 70 Mi Pro kay si variant nga G is wala mo yung difference. Actually, isa sa difference niya kay TRD, wala siya front cam, pero reverse camera, back sonars na siya. So mo yung main nga difference. Then skirts, actually yes, katong gihatag na ako sa inyo nga update, nagpataod mi og skirt, okay, bumper. Okay, so I guess I will give you an update sunod kay we're planning ipa-leatherize ang iyahang chairs. So I guess that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel and ga-review po day ko course if you have plans nga gusto ko nga cars, then you want me to take na quick tour or walk around ana nga car, even mas yun sa pa nga brand, you can just comment down below. I will do my best nga makuanta na nga car, review, or I will give you a quick tour. So please subscribe to my channel, G Sensei, and please support local nga mga YouTubers. So that's it, guys. Bye. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. Hello guys, what's up? It's me, your G Sensei. So while waiting for someone, okay, let's have a music trip. Okay, so do you have any songs there, Jandi?
No.
By the way, guys, this is my daughter, Jandi Gale. Say hi, Jandi. Jandi, oh, say hi.
Hey guys, I'm just doing
What?
something
Your
to
dress?
TikTok.
TikTok. Okay. So while waiting, kanta-kanta sa ta, guys. Jamming. Okay. So what song? Oh, na na na. Okay.
Is
So
it copyright?
kanta man. Copyright pa daw, guys. Kanta man.
I don't know.
Ano sa?
I don't know.
Kung ano lang. 1, 2, 3. When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It will never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Di ko ka-memorize sa lyrics nga naman. Na 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 na. My face. Girl, you know this. We got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? Gosh. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Di na yun. What else? Thank you na for support. Oy, giubo. What else? What song?
No, I just
So while waiting, guys, ingani na lang mong buhaton.
I don't know it.
Sa pa may lain kanta?
I don't know.
1, 2. Why do birds
How about
suddenly appear?
Mommy.
Ah?
How about the song?
Can I borrow my phone? Kato isa?
No.
Every time.
Meh.
Yes. You
How
want
about
it. Pimples, guys. Oh.
Snowman?
Di ko ka-memorize pa manana na. So, lang. Mo lang yung ginabuhat. While gahula. What else? Kung sa pa ilain ka nun?
I don't know. Maybe Snowman from Mr. Snow.
Ah.
Crazy.
This I Promise You by NSYNC. This is one of my favorite songs.
Nuh-uh.
When the vision surrounds you, charot, bring tears to your
Tears in my eyes,
eyes,
but I don't cry.
and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength. I'll give you hope.
I'm really
Keeping you your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing here all alone. A long day. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Till the day my life is true, this I promise you. This I promise you. I've loved you forever, in a lifetimes before.
Really?
Charot. And I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is the battle we've won, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Okay, shout out to my best friends diha, Sinkin, Charisse, Merjane, Prenny, Janice, Climarie. Okay, I miss you guys. So bye guys. Siguro na to mong ginahulat karong taod-taod. So nagutom na pod. So bye guys. Later, alligators.